Welcome to the Signing Up for MyDORWAY tutorial. MyDORWAY is the SCDOR's free tax portal for managing your South Carolina tax accounts 24/7. To get started, visit mydorway.dor.sc.gov. From the home page, click the Sign Up link. This first screen provides an overview of all the information you need to create your account. Gather the necessary information and documents, and then click Next. Now, select your access type. For this example, we'll sign up as a business owner. Fill out the Verify Your Business section. Once you're finished, click Next. For business tax accounts, you will be prompted to verify your business account information. Select the account type from the drop-down menu and enter the corresponding file number for that account. Under the Choose a Value to validate your access to this account drop-down menu, select your last payment amount, last refund amount, line 1 from your last return, or the letter ID from a corresponding SCDOR letter, then enter the correct value. Once you're finished, click Next. Select Yes or No if you need third-party access to another taxpayer's accounts. Once you've made your selection, click Next. Now it's time to customize your profile information. Create your username and make sure to write it down. The SCDOR cannot reset it for you in the future. If you forget your username, you'll have to create a new MyDORWAY account. Fill out your profile information. Make sure you use an active email address. You'll receive emails from the SCDOR about this MyDORWAY account, including instructions on how to reset your password if you forget it. Choose a secret question and answer to help you reset your MyDORWAY password if needed. The secret answer is case sensitive, so choose something you'll remember. Once you're finished filling out the form, click Next. Enter your contact phone information. You also have the option to enter an alternate contact phone number if you like. Once you're finished, click Next to continue. Verify that the information on the summary page is correct. You may click the links at the top of the page to navigate to previous steps. Once you've verified your information, click Submit. A pop-up window will ask you if you're ready to submit the information. Click OK to continue. The confirmation screen will appear next. Print or write down your confirmation number for your records. Click OK to go back to the MyDORWAY homepage. After your request for a MyDORWAY account is processed, you will receive a message like this in your email inbox. Use the temporary password provided in this email to log in to MyDORWAY for the first time. As a security measure, you're required to use two-step verification each time you log into MyDORWAY, so select whether you'll receive verification alerts using an authentication app, text message, or email. If you choose the authentication app option, you must first download an authentication app. Then, click the Setup link to generate a QR code. Open the phone's camera app, point the camera at the QR code, and follow the instructions in the app to add MyDORWAY to your authentication list. If you choose the text message or email option, choose the Add Phone or Add Email links to enter the phone number or email address where you would like to receive two-step verification codes. For this example, we will have the code sent to our email address. Enter the security code you received and then click Submit. Finally, create your password. Your password must be at least 8 characters, contain upper and lowercase letters, have at least one number, and at least one special character. Your password cannot match your username. Once you're finished, click Submit to log into your MyDORWAY account. After you log in successfully, you'll be taken to the MyDORWAY Accounts tab where you can make payments, file returns, view related correspondence, and much more. For more videos and help on how to use and navigate MyDORWAY, visit dor.sc.gov/MyDORWAY. Thanks for watching.